It is 2024, y'all. The year of the dragon. It is the year where nail technicians like you need to step up your game. It is the year where you need to grow. And how do you going to grow? Let me show you. First, put up the 5 finger, y'all, and sing it with me. $5 more. $5 more. Sing it louder. $5 more. $5 more. Put some goddamn passion in the $5 more. $5 more. Why is it not $10? Because $10 sound too goddamn expensive. That's why we're sticking with the $5. $5 more. Bitch, you ain't singing loud enough. I see you just laughing. Get your ass up and sing it with me. $5 more. $5 more. You not that $5 goes a long way. We start out with the low price and we work our way up. That's just giving the clients option to pick if they want to go with the $5 more or not. It is not a scam. It is a method of hustling. $5 more. $5 more. Bitch, you still not singing loud enough. $5 more. $5 more.